Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, June 4th, 2015. We're almost there, almost to the end of the week, and we're dealing with more showers for today. Now, yesterday was actually not that bad, especially once you got north of central New Jersey with skies clearing out and temperatures rather comfortable. Today, not so much. Now, rather nice weather is going to be in place for Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, northeastern Pennsylvania, with some scattered cloud cover and isolated showers possible. But once you get into the New York City metro, Long Island, down through New Jersey, and much of the Philadelphia metro in southeastern Pennsylvania, we're going to be dealing with an easterly wind transporting marine air from the Atlantic, and that's going to mean overcast clouds and much cooler temperatures. We're looking at high temperatures for today in the mid-60s for New York City and Philadelphia. Note, the normal high for this time of year should be anywhere between 78 and 82 degrees, so we're going to be well below normal for this time of year. We've been since the start of June. And we're also going to be dealing with the threat for scattered showers. Now, today is not a washout in any way, shape, or form, but if you have any outdoor plans, I would seriously prepare yourself for a few passing showers, and some of those showers will be capable of some brief heavy downpours. So this morning we are looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the immediate coast, especially around Long Island, and then in your major metro areas in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Again, high temperatures today, only in the mid 60s for highs as that marine air mass takes hold. However, as you head towards the northern interior, we'll actually warm up into the lower to mid 70s with more sunshine, should I say, and a few more isolated showers than to the south. So when we take a look at the radar, what we have here is moisture pushing northward. And when I show you the infrared satellite picture, you can get a better idea of what we're dealing with here. But for this morning, again, there's some very isolated showers and some drizzle. Nothing of major note as far as this morning. I don't see any major impacts for the rush hour this morning. But as we move on through the day, these showers will become more widespread and will focus especially right along the coast as we move on through the afternoon hours. So what's happening here? Well, when we take a look at the infrared satellite picture, here's our old stationary boundary that we've been dealing with all week. And we have an upper level low right over here, right around North Carolina. So what we're going to be dealing with are these waves of low pressure moving along this stationary front. And as we move on through the day and this upper level low shifts towards Virginia, this stationary boundary will creep a little bit closer to the New Jersey coast. And with these waves of low pressure moving by, that's going to lead to the threat for a few more scattered showers. Now again, notice where the high pressure systems are. So what we're going to be setting up here is the majority of these showers focus, let's say, from coastal Connecticut on down through New York City and then through southeastern Pennsylvania and central and southern New Jersey, with the most rainfall today and tomorrow basically right along the coast, or around a quarter to a half an inch of rain in some showers. And as you move further inland, the rainfall potential falls off dramatically to less than a tenth of an inch of rainfall possible for northeastern Pennsylvania, the Hudson River Valley, and northern Connecticut. So that's what we're going to be dealing with for today and tomorrow. And then on Saturday morning, this cold front moves through, and it looks like it's going to be a little bit faster than what was originally expected, which is great news for the weekend because we'll deal with a few scattered showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm on Saturday morning, and then Saturday afternoon on through Sunday, high pressure, with temperatures back to near normal levels in the upper 70s to lower 80s for highs, at least for the Philadelphia metro. For the New York City metro, a little bit cooler with more of a northerly wind component in play. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website. We're going to use the European model guidance for today. And again, we have that upper level low kind of spinning here around the southern mid-Atlantic. We have our stationary front off the coast, and so as a result, we'll be dealing with overcast clouds, scattered showers, and temperatures in the mid-60s for highs for today for the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. For tomorrow, a wave of low pressure develops along that front, And again, we're going to be dealing with some scattered showers. Again, not a washout tomorrow, but a bit of a nuisance. Look for temperatures in the mid to upper 50s for lows and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast and lower to mid 70s away from the coast for highs. In this scenario for tomorrow, I would not be surprised if we are a bit warmer than what we are today, because winds are going to be a little bit more from the north rather than due east, as we'll see for much of the day today. For Saturday, the cold front moves through in the morning with some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. Those thunderstorms are going to be isolated and very weak. Thereafter, high pressure takes hold in the afternoon with clearing skies. Look for low temperatures on Saturday in the upper 50s to lower 60s, high temperatures in the mid to upper 70s along the immediate coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s everywhere else. Clearing skies by Saturday afternoon, so if you have plans on Saturday, I would definitely keep them, as Saturday afternoon is looking absolutely beautiful. And if you want to get the best weather of the weekend, that'd be on Sunday with high pressure and complete control, low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s along the immediate coast, and mid to upper 70s everywhere else. Well, our weather gets a little bit more active for next week. On Monday, a warm front will attempt to move through. Now, I'm a bit concerned about the temperatures here on Monday. It reminds me very much like, well, last Monday with our warm front attempting to move through, and the New York City metro remaining more in the 60s, and the Philadelphia metro ending up in the 80s. So we'll have to watch this warm front very carefully. Currently, right now, the forecast is lower to mid 60s for lows, upper 70s along the coast, lower to mid 80s in the Philadelphia metro, with periods of showers throughout the region. Monday is going to be a very volatile day as far as temperatures go, so we'll have to watch that very carefully. On Tuesday, a cold front will move through with temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows, high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s with showers and thunderstorms. On Wednesday, high pressure takes hold once again, with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s for lows, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s, pretty much near normal for this time of year. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.